Hey, I'm Anya, and today I'm going to show you how you can quickly use the Veeroll Campaign Builder to build your video ad campaign. I'm going to take you through it step by step in this video, but if you also want to download the checklist, you can go to blog.veeroll.com so you can use it when you start building your own campaign. Okay, first I'm going to click on Campaign Builder here in my dashboard and start with giving my campaign a title. It's useful to put references in your title that will make you remember it later on. So this is also the title that will show inside AdWords. For example, you could use the main keyword phrase you used in combination with the landing page you're using to send your traffic to. For example, if your keyword phrase was yoga mat and you're sending people to a contest page, then you can type in yoga mat to contest page. This is useful, especially if you have several campaigns running, so you quickly can see what this one was about. Then you will select your video ad that you've previously created, or you can use your own video from your own channel by entering the link right here. Now, the display URL is the root address of your landing page. So for example, if your landing page is awesomeyogamat.com/contest, then you simply enter awesomeyogamat.com here. Your destination URL is where you're actually sending your traffic to. So in this example, it is awesomeyogamat.com/contest. Then if you want to, you can enable UTMs. When you enable UTMs in our campaign builder, it will add some extra code at the end of the destination URL. This code allows Google Analytics to show you exactly which targeting group or ad campaign sent you the traffic and how many leads or sales you got from that traffic. Now here you can select your targeting list for this campaign, and for each one you can select 10 lists. Your daily budget is set to 20, which means whatever currency you're using inside AdWords, whether it's dollars, pounds, or whatever. Now if you're just getting started, you can just leave this as it is. Then there's the cost per view setting, and we've set this to 20 cents for you to get started. Now if you want to know more about this, definitely check out the blog post as well, because I go a little bit more in depth on what that means. Alright, now you can click on Advanced Settings. Now the start date is set to the current day, but when you only want to run your campaign for a limited time, you can enter a specific start date here and an end date if you want to. We've already set the mobile bit modifier. Why we set it this way is because at the moment YouTube in-stream ads are not yet clickable on mobile, which is a reason we don't want to show them there. So we are reducing the mobile impressions completely. Now there are some changes happening to options for mobile devices, but I'll cover more on that in the future. Language is set to English, and depending on your target market, you can change this right here and add any language that you want to target. And in the next step, you can also choose which countries you want to target. Now the delivery method is set to standard. You can just leave it like this unless you notice that you're not getting enough views. It can sometimes help to set it to accelerated, but if it's your first time, just leave it as it is. And then you're ready to export your campaign. Now, when you click on Export Your Campaign, it will automatically download a text file. And then you can just click on Upload it to AdWords, which will open the AdWords interface. Now, we also have a tutorial for you right here, where you can see exactly which steps you have to take. Because I'm not actually uploading a real campaign right now, I'm just going to show you these screenshots. Now, when you open AdWords, you have to make sure that you're in all video campaigns. Otherwise, it will not work. Then you're going to click on the bulk upload button and you can upload your file. Now you will see this screen and you only have to use step 3, which is choose file. You can just ignore the other ones. After that, it will show you a new screen and you simply have to click Start Import, and that's it. I hope this was useful, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I will see you next time.